Hello my beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make this flavorful garlic and lemon roasted red snapper recipe. It's a juicy and delicious garlic and lemon roasted red snapper recipe that you don't want to miss. So if you're interested in seeing more how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I am going to show you guys a list of all my ingredients. We're going to use some fresh parsley, which is right there. We're going to add some flavor with our all-purpose seasoning. Next, we're going to go in with our paprika seasoning to add lots of flavor. We're going to use some low sodium soy sauce. We're going to add some minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that will do as well for this recipe. Olive oil, ground black pepper, fine sea salt, dry rosemary leaves. Next, we're going to go in with brown sugar. If you have honey, you can use it as well for this recipe. And cayenne pepper, onion powder, which is optional for this recipe, and ground ginger. Fresh ginger will do as well. To get this recipe started, I am going to add my low sodium soy sauce to the bowl. Next, I'm going to go in with extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we're going to add our brown sugar. If you have honey, you can go ahead and use it as well. Next, we're going to add half of lemon juice to the bowl, and we're going to mix it very well to combine all the ingredients. And that's what the marinade looks like so far. I am going to go in and add a teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce. Now I'm going to go in and mix very well again. Make sure to test the seasoning, guys, just to see if you have to add more seasoning to the bowl. Now I'm going to set the marinade to the side. I'm going to get these beautiful red snapper ready. So for this recipe, I am using 4 beautiful red snappers. You guys can see. So these beautiful red snapper already washed and cleaned up off camera. I'm going to go in with a paper towel and just pat the excess water off this beautiful fish. And then we're going to continue with this recipe. Now I'm going to add the marinade onto the fish just like that. Then I'm going to take my hand and just massage the marinade all over the fish. Make sure it's fully coated. Make sure to add some of the marinade inside of the fish as well. It's going to give the fish this nice, delicious flavor. And those fish looks absolutely beautiful, guys. It has that nice brown color, and that's how you want your red snapper to look once you add the marinade onto it. Now we are going to get ready to set this to marinate for 30 minutes, guys. So we're going to set it to marinate for just 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what the fish looks like. It looks pretty good. It's fully marinated, but it's not fully seasoned as yet. So I am going to show you guys the next step to season these beautiful red snapper. So to get started here, we are going to just make some shallow slices onto the fish, just like that. This is going to help the fish to bake quicker. It's going to help the seasoning to marinate very well inside of the fish. Now we're going to add all of our flavorful ingredients inside of the bowl. So we're going to add our all-purpose seasoning, paprika seasoning. We're going to go in with our cayenne pepper, ground black pepper, fine sea salt, And we're also going to add some ground ginger, fresh parsley, dry rosemary leaves. Make sure the ingredients are fully mixed inside of the bowl, guys, okay? And like I said, you can taste your ingredients to see if you need to add more to it, to add lots of flavor to this oven roasted garlic lemon red snapper recipe. So we're just going to go ahead and add the seasoning onto the fish. That looks nice and beautiful. Just use your hand and press down just like that. And we're going to flip the fish over to the opposite side. We're going to do the same as well. And those red snapper looks absolutely beautiful, guys. It has that nice rich brown color. That's how you want your red snapper to look. It looks fully seasoned. Once your fish is fully seasoned, it's going to taste nice and delicious. And you want to go ahead and add some of the seasoning on the inside of the fish head as well. Now we are going to go in and add the garlic onto the red snapper. Just press that down just like that. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to get our baking tray ready. We're getting ready to bake these beautiful red snapper. If you have olive oil or baking spray, you can use that to coat the baking tray. That way the fish doesn't stick on the tray. Now we'll just place the fish onto the baking tray just like that. We're going to go in and add some lemon slices on top of the fish. In the preheated oven, we're going to set these beautiful red snapper to bake for 20 to 25 minutes, guys. That looks absolutely beautiful. It's fully seasoned. The smell is amazing. After baking the fish for 20 to 25 minutes and 350 degrees, this is the final result. It came out absolutely beautiful. The smell was amazing. The fish was nice and juicy. I hope you guys enjoy watching this delicious, juicy lemon garlic oven roasted red snapper recipe. If you do, please don't forget to like and share this video. I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by.